So let's do the other thing for dislike as well. It should be the reverse. So we'll go to the code again. This way we can just reverse this function here. And let me close this one and then just copy this one here. So again, what I will do, does the user dislikes dislike? Let's go to the video and make sure this is the user dislike. We can copy it, can go back here and dislikes. If the user dislikes, then I want to remove him. So what I will do, it will be going to the other table or the other model where user ID equal to this current user ID. I will pick up the video and then I will delete it. So nothing will change here. And then here will be what? In this case, the dislike, the dislike will be false because I am removing him. So this, or will be dislike, sorry. Dislike, what's the name of the variable here? Dislike active. It will be false, of course, and then this another way when I'm adding it, it will be dislike true because I liked the video, and this will help us on the style. So let's go and again let me just remove everything from dislikes. Okay, later remove this and open dislikes. Let me delete everything and then refresh here. Let me go to the other video and then dislike. Of course I need to refresh to see the number. So I have one dislike. If I go to database as well, I can see it's one. User number 1 dislikes video number 2. Now if I click once more and then refresh, so this is 0, and if I go to the database, so this should be deleted, and now the toggling is working fine.